from AK Media Services, your digital media marketing expert. Today I am going to talk about a very important aspect of your business and digital media marketing, that is audiences. What are those and how to define them? So what are the audiences? Audiences are the people who like, follow, comment, share, most importantly, review and recommend you on digital media. It is very important to have a keen eye on what are the audiences that you are selecting for your campaign. Audiences can be segmented into various different small parts. It can be a part of your friends and family. It can be the part of your current customers. They can be your critics. They can be the people who are the influencers, and some of them can be the references. But the most important part, which actually people get skip about, is the potential customers. Why we do digital media marketing? Because we want to have a communication with the existing customers, and most importantly to create the customer base, to generate the inquiries. And that is why it is very important to always have a keen eye. I am repeating this, to have a keen eye on your audiences. Me and Bhushan always say audiences are the people who can make or break your brand. So that is why audiences are that important. Before going to how to define the audiences, let me take you to why to define the audiences. Let me give you an example. There was this guy who came to us and said, we want to do digital media marketing for our business. We said, okay, we will do it. So he said that till now I was looking after the digital media of my company, and we have pretty good page likes and followers. So we will say, okay, that's nice, so we have to not start with the zero. We have some number to start. So I asked him, that's fine that you have likes and followers, but what about the inquiries? Have you got any inquiries till now? And he said, no, I have got like no inquiries. I was shocked and surprised to understand that they have got not a single inquiry out of the digital campaign. So I asked him for the insights till date. So he came up with the insights, and there was the answer why they didn't got any inquiry. I got deep into the audiences they selected for their campaigns. Believe me, out of all that 40,000 likes they got there for their Facebook page, maybe 1,000 or some were relevant, and other all were from all the other countries, irrelevant of what their business was. And this is how the investment in digital media marketing goes when. So it is very important that you understand the audience and then go for whatever you want, whatever the campaign you want to do. So I hope now you have understood why the audiences are important. So how to define the audiences? There are some basic points that you should always remember when you are defining your audiences. The first point is the demographic details. Age, gender, occupation, education of your audience. Understanding these points is very important. Second important point is the geography of your audience. It is very important to identify where your audiences are living. They are born from where, and where exactly they are going to buy your product. So it is very important to understand the geography of your audiences. The third important point is what language your audiences speak. There are companies who says that my entire campaign should run in English, and there are companies who says that my entire campaign should run in some regional language. It is not dependent on how you want to use the language. It always depends on what language your audiences speak. So it is very important to understand. When I'm saying language, it is not just like English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Rajasthani. The language I'm saying is dialect, how they use it, what are the local words they use it, what are the global words they use it. So it is very important to understand the language of your audience. So these are like tools which are already available on social media when you are making the audiences. So it is quite simple to define the audience by using this tool. But the very important tool that is not available on social media, and that is the tool which is the skill that you should learn, is the skill of understanding the behavior of your audiences. It is very important to understand what is the behavior of your audience. What are the emotions of your audience? You see, if I say, for example, I say Cadbury. When I say Cadbury, there is this one ad that pops up in your mind. That is the emotion connected with the audience and the Cadbury brand that speaks with each other, and that is why that ad pops up. So it is very important to understand the emotion. May it be a sad emotion, happy emotion, surprised, shocked, or fear, any emotion. Try to understand through which emotion your audience is actually getting connected with you. So when I'm saying behavior, it is the lifestyle of your audience. What they wear, what they eat, where they go, what are they watching, who are they following are the very minute points that you should actually keep in mind when you are making the audiences. I know these are not the actual tools available in the market, but this is something that you will understand when you are interacting with your audiences live. To my customers, I always say that whenever you are in your own premises, may it be your marketing and sales guy or may it be you yourself, when you are communicating with your customers, try to listen them. Listening through your customers can give you a deep insight what kind of audience you want to make on digital media for the particular campaign. There is this beautiful story about the sumo, which actually defines sumo the car we have, and not the sumo the fighter we have, actually, the sumo the car. So, there is this beautiful story of sumo car which you can go on the internet and read it to understand how you should listen to your audiences. There are these deep insights when they are telling you what they like, what they don't like, what they prefer, what they like about you. So just listen to the minute details, what are they saying, and believe me, you will get into what they are expecting from you and what content they are expecting from you. Once you understand the audiences, creation of content becomes more easy. Concepting the content becomes more easy. And that is the next topic I am going to talk about in our next session, that is how the concept should be made for the content. So I hope this video was very important to you and very helpful to you. To get into more details, you can contact AK Media Services, me and Bhushan, through our email, through our phone number. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for all the details, and if you want to get intense course on digital media, you can absolutely contact us. So thank you so much.